Verifying your bank account on Yieldstreet is a straightforward process that ensures secure transactions and account management. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Log into your Yieldstreet account. Access your Yieldstreet account by entering your login credentials on the website or mobile app. Ensure you have your account details ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select bank account verification. In the account settings, look for the option related to bank account verification. Click on it to begin the verification process. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and submit. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the information to complete the verification process. You may receive a confirmation email once the verification is successful. By following these steps, you can easily verify your bank account on Yieldstreet, ensuring a smooth experience for your investments.